For the fight against the coronavirus and other dangerous microorganisms, here is a natural antibiotic, antiviral, antifungal, and antiparasitic recipe that you can prepare easily at home. Hi Fit Fam, this recipe was recommended here in Germany by one of the naturopathic doctors. This mix strengthens your immune system. I will attach the original source for the recipe at the end of the video for those of you who understand German. But before that, here is an English translation for those of you who don't understand the language. But before the recipe, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button on your left below the video so that it can reach more people. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe and click on the bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. And the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger grated, 2 tablespoons turmeric powder or fresh one grated, half a teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons horseradish grated, 4 tablespoons organic honey, and 500 ml organic apple cider vinegar. So before I move on to the directions, you will notice that I added an extra ingredient which lacks in the original recipe, and that is black pepper, because the peppering in black pepper increases the absorption and bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric. For the directions, add all ingredients into a mixer and mix for 20 seconds until fine. And add the mixture into a fitting mason jar and keep it in the refrigerator tightly closed. For the dosage, add a tablespoon of the mix to a glass of water and drink every morning and evening slowly just before meals. I recommend warm water. You can pack this drink with you everywhere you go. In addition, you can also add some rosemary leaves and chili powder or cayenne pepper. And when you are out in places with other people, you can also carry some fresh ginger with you and keep it in your mouth. It helps fight against viruses. Other strong immune boosters include black currants, elderberries, cornflower, aronia juice or berries, and a zinc supplement. What natural remedies are helping you to keep healthy and disease-free during this difficult time? Share with me and others in the comment section below. And well, that is just about it for today. Please do share this video with your friends and family so that it can reach more people. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye for now.